Here to pay tribute to the legendary Clark sisters is a singer who got her start in her grandfather's church in Oakland, California. Please welcome the talented Lena Bird Miles.
He brought me through hard trials. He brought me through tribulations. Never let a day go by and not realize. Had not been for the Lord who was on my side, back was against the wall, looked out for me. He heard my cry and rescued me. Never let a day go by and not realize that we are blessed. Don't take it for granted that we are here today. Just know that you are blessed and highly favored. Favored. Just know that we are blessed and highly favored. As I look back through the years, it's amazing that God kept all of us. It's amazing how He kept what the devil meant for evil. Our big God, He turned it around, turned it around. Yeah, I know that I'm blessed. Favored, favored, favored. Just know that you're blessed and favored. Y'all know this one? It's about the sunshine. Come on and sing it with us. Say it.
You made my day. You came my way.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. You
You hurt me
hurt me every time I prayed. Oh, and you gave me peace.
You
Yeah.
gave me peace.
You gave me grace.
You gave me grace.
You're the one who keeps a smile on my pretty face.
You
Yeah.
put a smile upon my face.
And you brought the sunshine.
The sunshine
In my life.
through the light.
And you threw out the lights.
The sunshine
Changed my life.
through
Yeah.
the light.
Since then,
I have some
He has made such a change in my life.
Jesus is the answer.
Oh, Jesus is the answer.
Breaks every fetter.
He breaks every fetter.
Really doesn't matter.
There's nothing impossible, nothing infallible, nothing too hard for my God to work
No matter
out.
what the problem,
No matter what your problem,
God can always solve it.
God can always solve them.
Pastor has a problem.
Try Him today, He will brighten